guys, today we're doing a video about Space Flight Simulator, and this is a while, so yeah, we're gonna do it for at least 14 to 15 or even 40 minutes. That would be my longest video, to be honest with you. 40 minutes. Wait, I already have a video that's 40 minutes long, but right now we're just gonna do a simple rocket and just send it to space for no reason. I mean, yeah, I guess. Alright. Get the engines. Midnight. Start going. And then we're gonna upgrade this for a while. And then we're gonna keep upgrading to the point. Yeah. Okay, we're done now. Let's go build a new rocket. Continue building. And this time we're gonna put just these things to add more engines. Yep, to add more engines. And it's gonna have a kind of contraction. So this is for letting go. I don't know. This should be looking good. This is just for, yeah, I guess, for design. And then we could just add engines. Add another engine. And then here we add another engine. And then we could just detach these, and then yeah, it should look pretty good. And yeah, I don't know if you guys are ever gonna see this video, but I hope you do, because it's really unlikely. A rough start. Space, and now there's just time warp. Okay, let me just speed up time. This thing's finally falling again. It's burning in the atmosphere, I think. Oh, it's only going 300. Oh gosh, it's gonna start burning real soon. I'm just gonna put it like that, but the other one is fine for now. And yeah, okay. Just no. This thing has to get bigger. Go to 600 because we need a perfect orbit. Somehow I just learned how to make an orbit real easy. So now I just need to turn this. How do I turn? I think it doesn't matter the way you are. Okay. 600. Not perfect. That's good. That's good now. That's good. Yeah, that's good. And close this. Fuel off. Turn off engines. Turn off engines. Perfect. We got an orbit. Let's go. And the other one's gone. But hey, at least we got an orbit. Now, I have a new design for this one. Dun, 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 dun. So you could probably go here. Oh, let me. Oh gosh, what did I just do anyway? I wish I could just. Wait, why don't we just? Why don't we just do a 3-stage rocket, and then I could add my own rockets to it. So I'm gonna make sure. We don't really need more, so I'm just gonna go whoop, take it down. Whoop, take it down. Whoop, take it down. Whoop, wait, whoop. Gotcha. For it to be way faster. And then, yeah, I think that should be good. Actually, we don't need the other one. Maybe we do. Yeah, we do. I don't think we need that one. Just need this one to be that big of a distance. Right now, we just need to copy this. We just need something like this for it. And wait, is it equal? Yeah, okay. And then now, bing, 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 bing. What? Okay, bing, bing. Okay, and then now this thing should be able to get us to space. I'm just putting space everywhere to see like if it could fit. Okay, that won't fit, but we could keep adding this. And maybe we could just move this to the beginning, and then now we could just keep doing that. Yeah, maybe it won't work. I think for now this should work. And then we could put engines. The bottom could have 2, I guess. Let's just put an engine. Do 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 do. Yeah, and then I think, wait, force? I want force big. Force big. Yeah, we want the force to be strong. Ignition. Ignition. Good. I heard that you could put an astronaut here, but it's really important. I don't know how you do that. I heard that like you could just go to settings. I don't know if that's true. Settings. Orbit line count 3. What does that mean? What if I put it at 10? Orbit line count? What if I put it at 10? What's gonna happen? Camera shake. Screen rotating. I want that to be 140. Yeah, and then infiltrate scale. Ooh, that makes sense. Why are we not hearing any sounds? The sound's completely high. Okay, and now it's time to add one more touch. We should be able to go here. I wish. Let me just see if... Please. No. It's at the limit. Oh, gosh, I wish I could have bought. Hey, guys, can you kind of donate? I'm not telling you. I'm just telling you. If you can donate. But, guys, I promise. It's for this game. We out of fuel, turn off, timer here, and then open the second engine, and then that should get us to. Maybe we should track the moon. Navigate. Transfer window right there. But first we need to get to orbit. So let me detach you. Please do it quick. Get started. Bye. Okay, we're gonna try getting into orbit. This thing's not helping. It's not going fast enough. Just a little engine is not going fast enough. Guys, I don't think we're getting into orbit. No way. We're just not getting into orbit. It's impossible. Like, our engine? No, we're not gonna be able. We're not gonna be able. Okay. Guys, I might have to end this video pretty soon. But hey, okay. Guys, I'm gonna put a part 2 for this. Do you think